welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to spend a little bit of time outside in my yard again. If you have watched my other video on the tour of my backyard, you will recognize this area. To recognize means to identify something because you have already seen it before. So if you watched the video, you saw the yard and you will recognize it. It's extremely hot out today. It is about 94 degrees, I believe. So very hot. Texas weather. If you're from Texas, then you know what I'm talking about. There were some things that I wanted to do out here, and I thought I would bring you along so you can join me and learn English on the way. I noticed that the fountain that we have for the birds is empty right now, so I want to fill it. So I am filling up the fountain or the bird bath, whatever you want to call it, for the birds and the insects. A lot of the insects like to come and have some water as well. Even though it's so hot, we are getting the occasional wind blowing through. You can see the little sunflowers going crazy for a little bit and then it will just stop. So the breeze helps with the heat, but I do wish it was a little bit cooler. So now the bird bath has some water in it. Hopefully the birds can enjoy that. And look how green these look. They are loving the heat. Sometimes they're a little wilted because they need water. So I will show you an example of what it looks like when some of the plants are a little bit wilted. Here you can see the leaves of the pepper plants they look sad. They're facing down. These leaves are very dry. Everything back here needs water. We will do that later when the sun goes down some more, because if not, the water will just heat up and it'll burn the plant as they absorb the water. So that's why we do it either in the evening or really early in the morning before it gets super hot. Here I have my other peppers that are also starting to wilt and be sad because they want water. But look at all the peppers that are growing. We have so many. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. Look at all the peppers that are growing. There are more here. So many. We're trying to let them ripen a little bit longer. Let's see if we can get this to focus. There we go. It's turning colors. They usually turn red. So it's turning red already. And here we have some other small ones. So again, if you saw my last video, you would have seen that there are a lot of flowers, and these flowers will usually turn into baby peppers. So because it's extremely hot, you can see that our grass is starting to dry out. It's drying out. It is also August, so that means it's going to be fall soon and all the leaves will start changing color. So I washed my covers today, my bed sheets, the cover, the pillowcases, and everything is ready. So now I have to make my bed. So I added the pillows, added the cover, the top, and now my bed is made. I'm getting a little hungry, so I preheated the oven so I can make some pizza rolls. Then I lined this pan with some aluminum foil paper, and I will place some of the pizza rolls in here, then put them into the oven to bake. So the time is up. I will turn off the timer and check the pizza rolls. They're sizzling. I think they're ready. They are out of the oven, and I used this oven mitt to take them out. These help protect your hands when you are handling hot things. I know it's not the healthiest, but pizza rolls and chips with a lot of hot sauce. Does anybody else add hot sauce? Don't worry, I don't eat like this every day. It's just when I feel lazy like today and I don't feel like making anything, but I will have proper food for dinner. So now I have some free time. I will play my Switch for a little bit, and we will see you later. It's hard to see, but as you can see, the sun is getting ready to set. So now is a good time to water the plants. Our plants up front seem to be doing okay. So I will finish watering all of these, and I will go inside and start winding down for the night, and I'll be getting ready for bed. So thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing me do random things in my day today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.